In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your signature in Zendesk. Getting your signature just right in Zendesk can make a big difference in how professional and consistent your communications appear. By following these simple steps, you'll ensure that your emails convey the right impression and contain all the necessary contact information. To begin, we'll need to navigate to the Admin Center. Now, the Admin Center is where you can manage the settings and tools available to your agents. Once there, look for the section called Agent Tools, and then head over to Agent Interface. This is also referred to as Manage, followed by Settings and Agents in some cases, depending on your layout. This area is a central hub where you can tailor settings related to your agents, including their signatures. Once you've arrived at the Agent Interface area, you will see a text box labeled Signature. This is where all the magic happens. It's here that you'll input your standard signature. Now, what makes this particularly useful is the ability to use placeholders, which will dynamically pull relevant information for each agent. This means you don't need to create a new signature for every individual in your team. For example, you can use /agent signature as a placeholder. This will automatically insert each agent's custom signature, keeping things both personalized and consistent. In addition to the custom signature placeholder, you might consider adding in other placeholders such as /agent.email, /currentuser.phone, and other supported placeholders. This approach not only enhances personalization, but also ensures that all necessary contact information is included, making it easy for recipients to reach out. It's the little details like these that can greatly improve communication efficiency. Once you've carefully crafted your signature with all the desired placeholders, don't forget the final step, which is crucial: saving your changes. You can usually find a Save button on the bottom or top right of the page. It's important to hit this button to ensure all your hard work is not lost, and your new signature setup is ready for your agents to use in their communications. And that's it. You're all set. Following these steps not only simplifies the process, but ensures that all your outgoing emails from Zendesk agents carry a uniform and professional look. If you ever need to update information like phone numbers or email, you can easily come back to these settings, tweak your placeholders or information, and save the updated signature. It's a quick and efficient process that keeps your organization looking sharp with minimal effort. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging on Zendesk.